Morning everybody from Parque Warner Madrid. Super excited to be here for the Your Experience Guide ERT event on Batman Gotham City Escape later on, which should be fantastic. One of my favourite coasters in the world, that one. There is 7 coasters in total to get on. There's also a couple of dark rides and things like that, so excited to do everything today, to be honest with you. Hopefully the park won't be too busy. It looked pretty busy coming in, but we'll see. I've been here before. I managed to get on 6 of the 7 coasters. I did miss the B&M invert as that was closed when I was here. So yeah, I'm excited to give that a go and see how it compares to all the other ones that I've done around the world. So yeah, join me in this vlog, should be good. We're going to head to Batman Gotham City Escape first.
I think that we got over it so dehydrated overheated. Yeah. Well, I've been to Parque Warner, that's not when this was open. About 4 years ago.
Si piensa que el reposo y museo de Antonio aproximadamente al mismo tiempo que Joker y Harley Quinn, no tenemos claro si se trata de un asalto combinado entre ellos a la ciudad de Gotham. Conectamos en directo con la reportera del GPNN, Micaela McClure, en el Parque Robinson. Micaela, ¿estás ahí?
Okay, next up is the Park's Wooden Coaster, which is Coaster Express. It's opened here back when the park opened in 2002 and is built by the Roller Coaster Corporation of America, I think. I don't think I've ever done one of these before. Obviously I've done this before, but I don't know if they've made any other ones. I've never really heard of them. So, started the day on Batman Gotham City Escape. One absolutely awesome coaster. That is, absolutely love it. Sat row 2, and yeah, just the launches on there are great. The hang time on that stall at the end is absolutely fantastic. I forgot just how good that was from doing it a couple of years ago. Overall, a really brilliant, great layout. Plenty of good launches on there. It's got 3 really punchy launches, especially that first one from a standing start, and the other 2 are rolling launches. The top hat is amazing as well, sort of. I know it's got a trim brake on there which holds you for longer than you should, but it is really good. And then I've gone and done Coaster Express next. Yeah, one word to describe that, boring. Doesn't really do much, it's a little bit on the rough side, and yeah, just not great. Operations weren't brilliant either. It's just running one train, so yeah, pretty slow moving queue. But overall, yeah, pretty good start to the day. Batman Gotham City Escape was definitely the highlight. I think we're going to go and do one of the kiddie coasters next, tick that credit off, and then hopefully go and do the B&M invert, because I haven't got that credit yet, and I'm excited to give that one a go. Right, it's time to do Shadows of Arkham. This opened here back when the park opened in 2002 as well. And it is one of the Batman cloned layouts that you get all over the world. So yeah, I'm not normally a massive fan of these, I think they're okay. But we'll see how well this one rides. and that was pretty good. For a cloned layout that I've done plenty of times, that was probably one of the better ones that I've done. I was sat on the front row and it felt just a little bit sort of snappier, as I said before. 5 inversions on here, opened back when the park opened in 2002, but yeah, it was pretty good. The theming in the queue was decent as well. I've put some of the footage in here for you as well. Overall, a decent ride considering it's been cloned all over the world. Definitely one to recommend and don't miss when you come here. Just come off of Superman here at Parque Warner, and that was really good fun, to be honest with you. Last time I did it, I wasn't really a big fan of it. It was a one and done coaster for me. However, this time around it was pretty smooth, nice sort of forces, and wasn't really head rattly at all. So yeah, really enjoyed it. Opened it back in 2002. Can't believe that it's nearly 25 years old. It's crazy to think that that's how old it is and it's still running so well. It's 164 feet as well. You forget just how tall it is. When you're sort of going up, you look off to the right and you can see the B&M invert, and it's a lot taller than that. It just really shows you how big it is. It's got 7 inversions as well. Really good ride.
Yeah. Usually I don't get these ones back. This one's hard. I wish they did something like this for...
So one coaster I don't think we'll be getting on is Stuntfall. Opened here back in 2002. And it is a giant inverted boomerang. Built by Vekoma, I think. Yep. If you do get a chance to do this one, I did it a couple of years ago, and it is extremely rough and extremely head rattly. So be prepared. Right, I'm going to give Scooby-Doo a go. The Adventures of Scooby-Doo. Didn't get a chance to do this last time I came. So I believe it's some sort of dark ride. We'll see what it's like. 21-minute wait, which I think is very specific. Yeah, facade looks quite good. Yeah, I'll give you a review when I come off. Just done Scooby-Doo here at Parque Warner Madrid, and that was okay, to be fair. I'd probably give it a 6 or a 7 out of 10. Decent little shooting dark ride. The only thing I would say is that you have to be really precise with the shooting at the targets. If you're off by just a little bit, then you don't get any points for it. But it activates quite a few sort of cool animatronics and effects. One of them made me really jump as you sort of come around the corner. There's a ghost that kind of jumps out right in your face, and yeah, it did make me jump, which I wasn't expecting. Imagine if you were a little kid, that would be really scary. So yeah, got 600 points. Don't know if that's a good or a bad score. So I'm gonna go and do Tom and Jerry next.
Where's the
So I was going to go and do the shot/drop towers here at Parque Warner. However, it's on a 30-minute queue, which cuts it a little bit fine for exclusive ride time, and that's the main reason that I've come here. So definitely don't want to miss out on exclusive ride time. So I'll be giving this a miss. However, I will put in some off-ride footage for you so you can see it if you fancy giving it a go when you're here. Time has come for some night rides on Batman Gotham City Escape. Super excited for this. It's an awesome day ride, but it's probably an even better night ride.
Bienvenidos a la mansión Wayne. En unos momentos comenzaremos la visita.
Finished 1 hour ERT on Batman Gotham City Escape. Wow, managed 6-7 goes I think, did a front, back row, all throughout the train. What an absolutely insane experience. Somebody who has been putting off doing these sort of events with your experience guide, thoroughly enjoyed today. I think it's been run really well, it's been super well organised. The ERT has been absolutely brilliant. Like, I thought if I got 2 rides I'd be happy, but to get 6 or 7, I did so many that I actually lost count. Is absolutely brilliant. I will definitely be doing more of these events. Definitely gets a 10 out of 10 from me. Overall, the park today has been okay. Operations have been a bit iffy. There's been a lot that's been closed. There've been a few flat rides. Okay, I understand the water rides because it's so cold, but there's a bus top spin that's been closed. You saw Stuntfall earlier on, that was closed. There's been a Vekoma Madhouse that was closed, so it's actually been quite a coaster heavy day. I think I've only done 1 dark ride, which was Scooby-Doo earlier on, which wasn't the best, but yeah, and just them sending out the trains as well were slightly on the slower side. But overall, an awesome day, and this has just capped it off. I mean, to be able to have one of the best coasters in the world, pretty much to yourself in the group, there's sort of 70 or 8 of us here, and we're just lapping it, running around, lapping it. Oh, absolutely incredible experience, and if you're thinking about booking one of these things, I thoroughly recommend it. I'm so glad I've done it, and this won't be the last one that I do. It was absolutely brilliant. So yeah, just to wrap this vlog up, it's been absolutely fantastic, as I said before. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure that you leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's loads more content coming. I'm at Park the Attractions tomorrow, and then hopefully heading over to Saudi Arabia in January, which should be awesome. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.